What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I got for your face balls today. We are going to check out this package right here. A lot of you may know that last week Spyderco did their second sale. Now, for anyone that tried to get on there, it was an online sale. It happened on Tuesday, July 25th. And I'll just be totally honest, it was a shit show. The website crashed. It didn't work. I've heard, I haven't read because I've been busy traveling for work, but I heard that Spyderco put out some apologies and whatnot, kind of apologizing for the website crashing. It was a mess, but Molly was a trooper and she persevered, got some stuff from the sale. We actually have another box showing up, but what's in here should be 2 mystery boxes. Now, for those that don't know, they had some mystery boxes that they were doing. There was like a small and a large, or 1 and 2, whatever you want to call it. The smaller ones, the mystery boxes, were $150, and you were guaranteed to get 2 knives, one of which being a dealer exclusive or a sprint run. Mystery box number 2 was $250, and you were going to get 3 knives, with the $250 box having 2 knives be dealer exclusives or sprints. By the time Molly got through and was able to get anything, she was going to get 1 of each of the 2 boxes. She was unable to do so, so she got 2 of the small boxes. It came in 1 box, so I'm not sure how this is going to be packaged inside. So let's jump right into it. Today's unboxing knife is the Spyderco Tropin. I had that sitting handy here, so we're just going to use it to open this package. There is some dust and stuff on this package, but that's just kind of what you get living out in the country, you know what I mean? Probably work better if I actually cut in the right spot. Tropin, great knife. Okay, let's see what we're working with inside this package. Now, I was hopeful that these were going to come in separate. Oh, okay, well, that's what we got right there. They didn't do a very nice job of packaging them. That's for damn sure. Okay, well, not what I had expected from Spyderco, but this is what we got. And we got some paperwork here. So they were in these bubble packages. So for those that don't know, when you buy a Spyderco Second, they do not come in boxes. Okay, so we had a little note from a guy I know that works at Spyderco. Very cool. We'll leave that one off to the side because that was the only one that was actually in the plastic. All right, well, let's see what we got going here. So first up, we have a Native 5. And this one is black, G10, S30V. You can see where the sticker was on there. They got some, the Spyderco Seconds come with a little paper sticker right there. But let's just check it out and see what kind of shape this thing is in. The grind looks good. Blade looks straight. Everything looks solid. Action is good. Blade centering is pretty damn close. Maybe cheated to the show side just ever so slightly. But we can certainly tune that up. So this is an S30V Spyderco Native 5, Golden, Colorado, US made. Just a nice, great user knife. So that's very cool. All right. And then we also have a Spyderco Delica. This one is in the Zome FRN scales. I don't remember if these, it looks like they kind of glow in the dark. This one's black coated blade in VG10 blade steel. I do have a UV light right here handy. So let's check it out. See what, oh yeah. Those are definitely glow in the dark scales. So there you go. Glow in the dark, Zome pattern. I think these were DLT exclusive, if I remember correctly. VG10. You know, of course, it's got the junk on the blade. We can wash that off. I'll do that because you guys also know the deal. We're going to have to check these for the see what kind of edges we have here on the Spyderco Seconds. And then we also have the Spyderco, this is a Blade HQ exclusive, PM2, red aluminum scales, and CTS BD1N. Blade centering looks to be spot on. Action is pretty solid right out of the box. Don't see really anything wrong with it. Okay. I'm kind of bummed a little bit because I thought that they would like have some Spyderco swag in the box or something, some stickers, some something. Didn't have any of that. Oh, look at this. And then for the fourth knife, so we got the Native 5, I'm going to call this a DLT exclusive. I don't remember 100%. The glow-in-the-dark Zome VG10. I know that was a dealer exclusive, but I kind of think it was DLT. This is just a standard run. This was a Blade HQ exclusive. And we have another DLT. I'm going to say DLT exclusive because I'm pretty sure. But it is the Yohimbo CPM Crewwear Purple G10 black coated blade. Very, very cool. Blade centering on that one looks fantastic. Okay. Yep. Nice. All right, so that's the haul right here. So I think it was pretty solid. Let me grab, I'm going to grab some alcohol here and we'll get these blades cleaned up and I'll be right back with you. All right, so I got a little bottle of alcohol here, paper towel. We'll get these blades cleaned off and then we're going to check these things, see what kind of edges these are coming with out of the second sale. All right, let's check these things out and see what we got for the edges here. What do we look at? The Native first. So we'll just start with that one. Golden Colorado S30V. Here we go. Oh, shit. Okay. This one is definitely not a second because the edge was no good. All right, so the Native 5 coming in hot with a 50. That's awesome. All right. And then we looked at the Seiki City, Japan Delica in VG10 blade steel. Let's check it out. Okay. So we had a 50 and an 80, both excellent results. All right, now the PM2 in CTS BD1N. Holy shit. Okay. 75 for the PM2. Are we going to get through all four of these sub 100? That would be pretty incredible. But here we go. CPM Crewwear, Golden Colorado, Yohimbo. Here we go. Holy hell. Okay. There you have it, folks. We had a 50 on the Native 5. We had a 70 on the Yohimbo. We had a 75 on the PM2. And we had an 80 on the DLT exclusive, or what I'm calling the DLT exclusive, Delica in glow-in-the-dark Zome. Awesome edges on all four of these knives. I'm pretty happy with this for, You know, the mystery box, it was kind of cool to not know what you were getting, to get 3 dealer exclusives here, plus a Native 5. Native 5 is just an awesome knife, really, really good in hand, just a wonderful user. Plus, getting 3 of these being US made Spydercos, that's fantastic. Pretty pumped with all of that, but I thought you guys might like to see what came in the mystery boxes from Spyderco. And here it is. This is what Molly picked up on the mystery box. I think she's got a couple other things that she picked up as well that are coming in a separate package. There you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoy that. Like, subscribe, do all the things. I'm out of here. Peace.